What's up, guys? Today is Thursday, so I'm in the shop. I've been doing quite a bit of work since lunch. I got on the computer this morning and worked about lunch, and then after lunch I actually have been using the jointer and the planer all afternoon. So I'll show you in just a second what I've been doing. Actually, you can probably guess. Been working with this Eco Poplar, and it really dressed out nice. So I haven't done any surface prep on it or anything, just straight off the planer. This is what this stuff looks like. So as you can see, this is what I started with, and then all I did was run this stuff through the jointer and then through the planer, and that's all I've done so far. And you can see this stuff is just really nice. I've got to do a little bit of prep, but not a whole lot. I could leave it just like this and be just perfectly fine with it. But anyway, I'm excited about it. That's actually the size of the door. It's about 41 inches this way, and it's 7 feet this way. So that's the actual size of the door. I do have to trim up the ends to get everything even, but I'm looking at that. I do want your guys' opinion because I'm waiting on some of the hardware, and so some of the hardware is not gonna get here until another week. So I'm gonna have to push the project video out until not this coming up, not next week, but the next. So I could show like a milling video on how I prep this for next week, and then put the whole project together for the following week. Does that sound interesting? What do you guys think? If not, then maybe I can do something different, or just skip a week. I mean, this is not really a big deal, but if you guys would like to see how I got from the rough state to what you're seeing on the table, then that could possibly be a video for next week. So let me know in the comments what you think about that. Other than that, that's all I got. I'll check in tomorrow. See you guys later.